Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on this product here, this software called Perpetual Income 365. Okay, so you're here on this website right now. You've probably watched this video that talks about the renegade Netflix data scientist that made a whole bunch of money and how you can use this exact strategy to actually make money for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to review this program, and at the end you can decide for yourself whether you want to get into the program or if this is something that you might want to skip over. All right, so Perpetual Income 365. A very interesting angle. He talks about, if you watch the video, right, it's basically a story about how Netflix makes a lot of money, and it's basically about making consistent income and regular income from subscriptions. Okay, that's all it is, right? And then after that, they kind of transition into talking about the actual program, and all Perpetual Income 365 is it's just teaching affiliate marketing. Okay, so they come in with a very interesting angle, but essentially it's a new way to sell a very old strategy, if that makes sense. Okay, so let me tell you exactly what you're getting if you decide to invest into this product, right? So all Perpetual Income 365 is it's teaching you affiliate marketing, which is basically going to marketplaces like ClickBank, which is a very big affiliate marketing marketplace. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, all it is you're basically getting digital educational products like how to lose weight, how to stop your dog from peeing on the carpet, how to set up a garden in your backyard, how to learn how to sing, learn how to play the piano, learn how to generate leads. Is digital education, right? So you go to a marketplace like ClickBank, they teach you how to do that, which is very simple, by the way. You can get all this information for free on YouTube, by the way, right? It's not like mind-blowing stuff. And then it teaches you how to pick a product, and then their software will basically create a landing page, like a front-end website. That's all it is, right? So the software will create a front-end website for you, which, by the way, if you're paying $47 per month, which is how much this program costs, you can get much, much better software than Perpetual Income 365, okay? So if you're going to already be paying $47 per month for any software, you may as well get something that's a lot more powerful. What this software mainly does is it mainly creates the landing page for you automatically, okay? That doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get high conversions. It just means that there's a software that's going to build the front-end website for you. By the way, there's a lot of other software that does that properly. You just have to learn how to use it, that's all, right? Then after that, they teach you how to buy solo ads, okay, which is, for me, is the biggest problem with this strategy, right? And all they do is they say, okay, now our software is going to build you a landing page. You're going to connect a ClickBank offer to your landing page, and then what you do is you go out there and you buy solo ads from places like Udemy. Okay, now if you don't know what a solo ad is, all a solo ad is you go to basically marketplaces like Udemy, and there are lots of different marketers on this website. There might be like a few thousand people all over the world on this website. They already have built an email database of hundreds and thousands of people, and all they're doing is they're reselling you the opportunity to promote an offer to their email list. That's it. So all you do is you go to Udemy, and there are hundreds and hundreds of people there. They've got lots of ratings and stuff like that. And basically they charge you roughly about, anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per click, right? And you go to them and you say, hey, I want to buy, 500 clicks from you. They charge you $500 or $300 or whatever it is. Again, it's a marketplace, right? And then they'll take your ClickBank offer and they will promote it to their particular email database. That's all it is, okay? Now, solo ads, I just want to tell you, is one of the worst ways to build your business, right? And all solo ads is a way to drive audience and leads into your sales funnel. Now, anybody that teaches that strategy has really no idea how to market properly, all right? Now, I'm not saying that you can't be successful with solo ads, because you can, but it's very, very difficult to turn a profit with solo ads. And let me explain to you why, all right? Now, I've been online marketing for a very long time, 11 years, right? And every time I see someone teach this particular strategy about all you need to do is pick a great offer on ClickBank, have a great landing page, and then buy solo ads, this is the exact formula for a disastrous and unprofitable business, okay? How do I know this? Because that's what I was taught from 2009 to 2016. This model that they're teaching you is a new angle on a very, very old strategy, right? So the sales page talks about this whole Netflix thing, but when you actually go into the program in the back office, right, you're not learning anything new. This is a very, very old strategy that doesn't work anymore, right? And here's the reason why it doesn't work. Number one, the source of traffic is very, very low. Okay, so Udemy, even though you can make a few sales, right, it's very, very difficult for you to get into profit. Now, let me explain why. Solo ads is one of the lowest quality lead sources on the entire planet, okay, on the entire internet. And the reason that is because all it is people that have built an email database and they're constantly selling those leads to other people that want to buy them. That's all it is, right? So these guys, these solo ad vendors, that's what they're called, right? They bombard their email list 10 to 20 times a day with offers. Now, what do you think that person on that actual email list is going to do if they're getting 10 or 20 offers every single day? Well, they're going to click on the offers, but are they necessarily going to buy? No, they're not necessarily going to buy. The other problem with solo ads is that a lot of them aren't even real human beings. They're robots. They're programs that are designed to click on your ads and opt in, but it's a fake email address. It's not even a real human being, okay? Now, 30, 40, 50% of these clicks are robots, right? But you don't know that because you might just be getting started, right? Now, how do I know all this stuff? Because I was buying solo ads for 8 years, okay? Every single month, I was buying consistently solo ads for 8 years. I spent more than 30,000 US dollars on solo ads, and I rarely, if ever, made a profit. Now, did I make sales? Yes, I made sales, right? But think about this. If you spend $500 on a solo ad and you make a couple of sales and your sales are like $100 each, right? How much money did you actually make? Well, you didn't make any money, you lost $300. Think about that, right? You paid $500 for your solo ad, you make 2 sales, maybe it's $100 per sale, you're down $300. And this is the problem with solo ads. It's not that you can't make sales. You can, but it's very, very difficult to get into profit with the strategy that you're learning through Perpetual Income 365. And I know that because this is exactly what was taught to me from 2009 to 2016. Okay, that's not how people buy anymore. So there's a couple of things wrong with this strategy. This is just my personal opinion, okay? And I, whenever I see strategies like this, it just makes me feel really horrible inside because this is exactly what I did for so long, right? Now, here's the reason why they teach you this strategy, okay? So they teach you this strategy because it's easy to teach. I can teach you how to buy a solo ad in 5 minutes, okay? Now, will you necessarily get results from it? No. Will you make some sales? Yes. Will you be in profit? Very, very unlikely, okay? Because of everything that we just spoke about just now. Now, the other thing is that the way that they teach you how to sell using this system, okay, is all about getting a solo ad into your landing page and then just emailing them back over and over and over again to the ClickBank offer, okay? Now, people don't buy like that anymore, right? Because all you're doing is you're basically getting, first of all, very low quality traffic into your sales, what's called a sales funnel, right? This is called a sales funnel. So you bring them into your sales funnel, and then first of all, they're very low quality. The second thing is you're just emailing them offer after offer over and over and over again. You're literally beating that person over the head with a sales opportunity. Now, do you know who else does that? Greasy car salespeople, right? It's like going to a car sales room, right? And when the car salesperson says, so what kind of car are you looking for? And basically you say, well, I'm actually looking for a minivan, and then they keep trying to sell you a Pinto over and over again. So they don't care about what you necessarily want, but they keep slamming you over the head with the same car over and over and over again. Does that make sense? That's exactly what's going on in this particular strategy. And that's why you might be able to make a couple of sales, but will you actually get into profit? Very, very unlikely. Okay? So that's what you're getting with Perpetual Income 365. That's my personal opinion, okay? So that's actually the strategy. Now, here are the pros and the cons that I do want to talk about so that you know exactly what you're getting. So first of all, it's a $47 per month product, okay? So for $47 per month, you're getting the training on how to pick ClickBank products. You're getting the software that will build you the landing pages. You're getting the emails, okay? And they're going to teach you how to buy solo ads from marketplaces like Udemy, which I think has absolutely no value at all because that traffic strategy is a very, very crappy traffic strategy, all right? So that's what you're getting for $47 per month. The pros is that there is a Facebook group, which is great. And they're pretty active in there. So the owner of this system is pretty active in there. And you'll see people saying, oh, I made my first sale and stuff like that. But believe me when I say it's very easy to make a couple of sales here and there, but to get into profit with this particular strategy is extremely difficult. All right, and I can talk about that, you know, with pure honesty because I've actually done all this before. All right, it's very, very difficult to get in profit this way, right? The second thing that's good is they have email support, which is nice. Okay, so you actually do get a little bit of support there. Here are the cons. All right, the stuff that I really don't like about this program. Again, this is my personal opinion. You don't have to listen to me if you don't want to, but this is my personal opinion on this exact strategy. Number one, the strategy is horrible. All right, because this is what I don't teach my students to do, because this is how I lost more than $90,000. Okay, so from 2009 to 2016, I not only spent $30,000 on solo ads, but I spent an additional $60,000 on all these different strategies, models, and I tried a lot of different stuff online: MLM, survey websites, GPT, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce. I bought tons and tons of courses and products, and courses and masterminds and all that stuff. Okay, so I spent a lot of money on trying to learn how to make income through the internet, right? And this strategy that they're teaching you is the wrong way to do it. You can make sales, but the conversion rate is extremely low. All right, so in order for you to really be profitable, and it's not about how many sales you make, it's about how much profit you make. What is your ROI? That's the most important thing. It's not about making 1 or 2 sales. Oh, that's great, right? But even if you made 10 sales, but you're not in profit, you're still losing money. Does that make sense? And this is a losing money strategy, okay? Again, very, very hard to get into profit with that. That is a huge con about this, I would say, or a huge disadvantage with this particular strategy. The second thing that I don't like is there are 7 upsells, guys. 7, okay? So when you buy a $47 product on the front end for this, you're going to be upsold 7 times. Now, anytime a product creator has to upsell you 7 times, that many times, that's an alarm bell, right? That's a red flag coming up, okay? Because for the most part, you should be able to succeed with their entry-level program without necessarily having to buy an upsell, okay? If an upsell is really good, it should be complementary to the actual product. That means it should help you to get results faster, but you don't necessarily need it in order to get results, right? But the way that they've designed this is, yeah, you know, if you do want to get, you know, real results, then you're gonna have to spend a bit of money on the upsells, okay? But again, 7 upsells, that's nuts, right? That's a lot of upsells. So that is my review for Perpetual Income 365. I think that what they're teaching you here is, again, they're carving it in a way that looks new, but is actually very, very old. This strategy that they're teaching you, go out there, pick a ClickBank product, send it to a landing page, and then go and buy solo ads. This combination of what we're talking about right here is a very old combination that a lot of people in the marketplace teach. And this is the quickest way to spend money and not make money, all right? This is a strategy that is not very good at all, right? The way that you need to do it is this, okay? First of all, don't buy solo ad traffic. All right, that means you need to learn to generate your own traffic instead of buying traffic from someone else, because every time you buy traffic from somebody else, the quality of the traffic is very, very low. All right, so I'm teaching you some strategies right now, right? So you need to learn to generate your own traffic, which is not difficult. You just have to learn how to do it, right? The second thing is if you keep sending people back to the same offer over and over again via email, you're never going to build any trust or likability with your email prospects that are coming into your system, okay? So this strategy is just literally buying low quality traffic and just slamming people over the head over and over again with crappy offers, right? People don't buy like that anymore. You have to learn how to build a relationship with people and magnetize people towards you. That's how people really buy in this day and age, okay? So get good quality traffic into a system where you're attracting people towards you, you're adding a lot of value, and that's how people really buy, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this review of Perpetual Income. If you would like to learn how I was able to, go from this model and failing for 8 years to building a 6-figure business, generating hundreds of sales every single month, generating tens of thousands of dollars, and having hundreds of students all over the world where I teach them exactly how to do this, I would love to teach you how to do that for free, okay? Because look, if you go down this road and you buy solo ads and you just pick a ClickBank offer and you send them to a landing page, you're not gonna make money. I would be shocked if you made money that way because, I couldn't figure it out for 8 years and I was doing this exact strategy, all right? So if you would like to find out how to really do this, right? How do you do affiliate marketing properly? How do you generate your own traffic? How do you generate high quality traffic? How do you bring them through a process that will get people to actually know, like, and trust you? Then in a free training, I would love to show you how to do that. So all you need to do is click the link right below this video. you'll see a little link to my website, and on that website, enter your best email address, check your spam folder because it might end up in spam, and then watch that video, okay? That video will show you in great detail how to really do this strategy, but do it in the right way so that people know, like, and trust you and actually want to buy your product so that you can get into profit, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review. My name's Aaron Chen. All the best to you and your business, and hope to speak to you on the next page. Take care.